expensive energy is anticipated by many. People find you so mesmerizing. Your energy is powerful. Your aura is bright. You know, the light that you have within shines through. You captivate a whole room. You shift the energy of the whole room without even doing or saying nothing. You have star quality. You have charisma. What you possess within, it cannot be bought and it cannot be taught. It's innate. It's genetic. You are very regal. You are like a king or a queen. You have gone through many deep, dark, and painful transformations, but you never let this hold you back. You know, these transformational cycles that you have been through have allowed you to shed your skin. And because of your healing and your purging, it has helped you to shine brighter each time you re-emerge like the phoenix from the ashes. Your energy is potent, captivating, mesmerizing, spellbinding. People get lost in you. You're like a whole galaxy all in one person. Many people may have tried to stop you in your path. You know, many people may have tried to say that you aren't who you say you are, trying to pick out flaws and, you know, trying to gossip, smear campaign you due to their jealousy, because they cannot understand how one person can just captivate a whole room. How one person can just walk down the street and everyone stops what they're doing just to stare. You may get many people asking you, are you famous? What do you do? And you could just have a normal 9 to 5 job. And even at work, people are in awe of you. Many people may feel like you shouldn't be doing the role that you do, because you have the energy of someone of importance. And we are all important, but you should be on the screen. Many people may say to you, are you a singer? Are you an actor? Are you an actress? Are you a model? Who are you? You look famous. Even before you even say anything, just your energy signature alone has the ability to captivate many. Some people are not settled with your energy. They feel like they need to compete with you. How dare you be so powerful? How dare you have so much confidence? How dare you know thyself? You see, these individuals feel like to tear you down would make them rise. And when they get into that energy of trying to come up against you, you evolve higher and higher. Just when they felt like they were on your level, or that they can override you in some way, shape or form, in their deluded minds, you surprise them some more with maybe a new skill, talent, new look,